Technology often aims to improve our everyday lives. We use tech for nearly everything. Think of how often you use your Alexa assistant. She can give you recipes for your favorite meals, turn your lights on and off, or even start your car. Though, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Today we will look at 8 new and cool gadgets and inventions that you can buy online. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get more videos on the latest technological innovations and gadgets. Parrot Bebop 2. The Parrot Bebop 2 is a popular drone that has gained a lot of attention in the consumer drone market. The Bebop 2 is designed to be easy to fly and offers a number of advanced features that make it ideal for both beginner and advanced drone pilots. The Bebop 2 has a lightweight and compact design. Weighing in at just 500 grams, it is incredibly easy to transport and can be carried. The drone's body is made from durable materials, including reinforced fiberglass, which helps to protect it from damage. The Bebop 2 is powered by a 2,700 mAh. The battery provides up to 25 minutes of flight time. The drone can be controlled using a smartphone or tablet via the FreeFlight Pro app, which is available for iOS and Android devices. The Bebop 2 is equipped with a 14-megapixel camera that is capable of shooting 1080-pixel video at 30 frames per second. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, which helps to stabilize the footage and reduce the impact of vibrations and movements during flight. The drone also features a first-person view mode, which allows the pilot to see what the camera is capturing in real time. As for the price tag, the Parrot Bebop 2 is available for purchase on the manufacturer's website for $549.99. HPRT Printer. The HPRT Printer is a high-quality printing solution that has gained popularity in the card printing industry. The main feature of the HPRT Printer is its high-precision retransfer technology. This technology ensures that the printer produces high-quality, crisp, and clear prints. The printer doesn't use ink. The printer's software is easy to use and comes with a range of customizable settings, including image size, resolution, and color depth. This allows users to fine-tune the printer to their specific needs and achieve the best possible results. H2O Ninja Mask. The H2O Ninja Mask is a revolutionary full-face snorkel mask that has become increasingly popular among snorkelers and divers. It is designed to provide a more comfortable and natural snorkeling experience, allowing users to breathe through both their nose and mouth while keeping their face fully submerged. The mask is made from high-quality, hypoallergenic silicone and covers the entire face, providing a seal that prevents water from entering the mask. The mask also features a built-in valve system that allows for easy breathing, reducing the need to constantly clear the snorkel tube. The mask also comes with a removable GoPro mount, which allows users to capture their underwater adventures on camera. Prices vary depending on the model and features, with some models priced at around $50 to $100. Luna. The Luna speaker is a stylish and innovative wireless speaker that delivers impressive sound quality. Designed to look like a small, spherical satellite, the Luna speaker features a unique levitating design that sets it apart from other speakers on the market. The most striking feature of the Luna speaker is its levitating design. The speaker floats above its base, creating a mesmerizing visual effect that is sure to impress. This unique design not only looks cool, but it also helps to improve the sound quality of the speaker by reducing vibrations and resonance. It features a 3-inch full-range driver that delivers clear and detailed audio with a rich, full-bodied sound. The speaker connects to your devices via Bluetooth, allowing you to stream music from your phone, tablet, or computer. It also has a built-in rechargeable battery that provides up to 8 hours of continuous playback, so you can enjoy your music all day long. As for the price tag, the Luna speaker is priced at around $199. Bamboo GTR. The Bamboo GTR is an electric skateboard designed and manufactured by Evolve Skateboards. It is a premium-grade electric skateboard that is designed for riders who demand the very best in terms of performance and quality. The Bamboo GTR features a 2-in-1 electric skateboard system that allows riders to switch between street wheels and all-terrain wheels. The street wheels are designed for smooth and fast riding on paved surfaces, while the all-terrain wheels are perfect for off-road adventures on dirt, gravel, and grass. The Bamboo GTR is equipped with 2 powerful electric motors that deliver a maximum speed of up to 26 miles per hour and a range of up to 31 miles on a single charge. The skateboard also features regenerative braking technology, which helps to extend the battery life by recharging the battery while braking. The Bamboo GTR has its wireless remote control, which allows riders to easily control the speed and direction of the skateboard. As for the price tag, the Bamboo GTR is a high-end electric skateboard that is priced at around $1,899. The Feher Helmet ACH-1. The Feher Helmet ACH-1 is a high-tech motorcycle helmet that incorporates advanced air conditioning technology. It is a unique and innovative helmet that is designed to keep riders cool and comfortable during hot and humid rides. The ACH-1 helmet features a patented thermoelectric cooling system that is powered by a rechargeable battery. The system works by pulling in air from outside the helmet and cooling it before circulating it through the interior of the helmet. The system is designed to keep the rider's head and face cool and dry, even in the hottest and most humid riding conditions. The helmet is electronics and communication engineering certified, which means that it meets the highest safety standards for motorcycle helmets. It also features a multi-density expanded polystyrene liner that is designed to absorb impact and reduce the risk of head injury in the event of an accident. The Feher Helmet ACH-1 is priced at around $599. TimeKettle M2. The TimeKettle M2 is a revolutionary device that allows real-time translation of conversations between 2 people who speak different languages. It is a compact and portable device that can be used for both personal and professional use. The TimeKettle M2 is designed to work with a smartphone app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. The app allows users to choose from a range of languages and dialects, and it uses artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to provide accurate and natural-sounding translations. It features a built-in microphone and speaker, which allow for clear and accurate translation of conversations. The device also has a long battery life, which means that it can be used for extended periods of time without needing to be recharged. It is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, with simple controls and clear instructions. It also has a one-click translation feature, which allows users to quickly and easily initiate a translation with just one button. The TimeKettle M2 is priced at around $129. HollowRide. HollowRide VR is a groundbreaking technology that is set to revolutionize the way we experience virtual reality in cars. It is a new form of entertainment that is designed to enhance the experience of being a passenger in a vehicle, by immersing riders in a fully interactive virtual reality experience. HollowRide VR is powered by a unique software platform that integrates with the vehicle's existing sensors and navigational data. This allows for real-time synchronization between the virtual reality experience and the actual movement of the vehicle. As a result, riders can experience a fully immersive and interactive virtual reality environment that responds to the movements and actions of the car in real time. The technology works by using a virtual reality headset that is connected to the vehicle's computer system. The headset provides a 360-degree field of view, and is designed to track the movements of the rider's head and body. This allows for a fully immersive experience that feels as if the rider is actually inside the virtual reality environment. HollowRide VR can help to reduce the feeling of motion sickness that many people experience while riding in cars.